does the initiation begin? Well, it begins when we first contact devotees and we start to interact with them. We take a book of Srila Prabhupada's from them, or we take their invitation to come to the temple. It all begins there, but initiation is the formal consecration or of one's dedication to serve Krishna. In the beginning, people are coming and they're looking, they're seeing, they're hearing, they're liking. They come more, they come closer and closer and closer. And then they want to take initiation, which means a vow to make Krishna the goal of our life. Up to that point, it may be that Krishna is part of my life. But to take initiation means to make Krishna the goal of our life. In Hindi, we can say, do you want Krishna bhi or Krishna he? You can follow that as a Hindi speaker. Do we want Krishna also or just Krishna? So is it adding Krishna to it? We say that, you just add Krishna to your life, but at some point we say, Savadhaman parityaja mam ekam sharanam raja, just surrender to Krishna fully.